day, Lifted Adventures. Good day. Jeremy here with Lifted Adventures. We are going to start doing some new things, as I've said in my previous video. I'm super pumped to start this new endeavor with something you guys don't even know about me yet. I love puzzles. Now, not those little jigsaw puzzles that you put together when you were in elementary school or middle school or whatever. I'm talking about full-blown puzzle boxes, discovery, cast puzzles, stuff like that. So we're gonna start adding these into the channel. The first one we got today is right here. Sweet. Okay, so for the first puzzle we're gonna be doing, so this is a puzzle, a gorgeous wooden puzzle by a guy named Tyler, who also is bearded. And has told me that the beard helps solve these. Just a smidge. Just by a hair. So after a quick, just beautiful beam footage of this, we're gonna solve this, hopefully. I don't know. Let's see. So, without further ado, the lock and pin. Okay, so this is my first time really looking at it. I'll post his link down below. He makes several different types of wood forms of these, and they're gorgeous. He sent me this one, and I'm super pumped to give it a try and see where it goes. Now, he said this is a level 3 out of a 5. And so just warning you now, I'm going to be solving this. If you don't like watching the solving part and you want to figure out yourself, stop it now and don't continue on. But before you leave, make sure you smash the like down below over here and hit the subscribe button over here. Thanks. All right, cool. Now, I don't think this will make my beard grow any further. Oh. So I see that this part moves a little bit. He said there's no prying, no need to pry anything, but anything else goes. So that's usually my first. It is called a lock and pin. Lock in pin. This moves around. Maybe there's a pin. I see there's a little opening right here. You can see there's an opening in here. Hopefully this won't take me too long to figure out. I don't see any. These look to be all glued in, glued on real good. So. 2 holes right here. Those look like they've been rotated away from their lines. You can see the color here. To me, what would you guys do? What would you start off? Go ahead and comment below how you would start. You can see in there, there's some holes. That moved a little bit. Huh. I don't know if you can see in there. There's a little pin. Looks like. Right there. Yeah. It's starting to come out. You can see it. Huh. It's in there. It seems like it's coming out. Clap your hands. Nothing else was given to me. The only thing, because you see now it's coming out. Is it supposed to come out fully? Now it's back in. That's the only thing I can think of. Get a little spin move. Nope. That little hole is the only thing I can think of. What would you guys do? I don't see any seams. Three out of 5. It's the only thing I keep coming back to. Got a quarter in there. Doesn't twist. Rotates back, or slides back and forth. Is that a pin or a nail? I want to say I'm supposed to get that out. There. Hot dang, okay. So, possibly a magnet holding it. Oh, it moved. Moved. Maybe. No. So that hole kind of went bye-bye. See when I can't really see it, I guess. Oh, it's that one. Magnet anywhere? adjust the camera. So I'm still in the same position, just these are up here. That gives me some leeway, like it's moving a tiny bit. Deep, doesn't go very, it stops right there. Pen and lock. So, pen and lock, right? What you guys get? So now it goes back. My children are singing. If you can hear them in the background. What about if I try? Ah, no. Ah, I got both of them. Okay, so that. How did I get that? I had it a second ago. I had this one too. Which did I get? Okay. Start over. Start over. There we go. Okay. So I had this one moved. It was moving. I swear. I promise it was. Oh. Okay. Okay, I've done this one. This one's on. Oh, Jeebus crisp. It's causing dimples and indentions in my fingers. Oh my god. Oh, no, that's not what I wanted. So that stays. What if am I able to do anything else? No. I swear I had that open. I gotta get back to that. However I did that. I don't hear a pen dropping or nothing. I think I have to do this one before I do the other one. Okay, so set back to normal. Let's see if which one am I doing? I'm going for this one, right? Oh my goodness gracious. Tyler, I'm gonna say this is not a 3. I know I've only been doing this for about 20-25 minutes. Okay, so I'm trying to do this one. So put that there. Okay, I'm hitting wood, I'm not hitting the coin on the other side. There, I did it. So, It's doing it. So I hit this side, right? Okay, why isn't it staying? So now it stays. And it stays. Okay. So now I got both of them in there. What do I do now? Trying all the different holes and see. Oh no. Okay, so it's in. I hope I don't have to put that back in there, because that was a beast to take out. There's no prying, so it can't be that. Do I? My dog. Don't you dare puke. Don't you puke. Go. Good. That's how you stop your dog from puking. I don't know what to do. And I don't want to hit it because it's going to go back to normal. I don't know what to do now. What would you do from here now? Comment down below. What would you do? There's literally no seams that I can see. None of these are seamed. That's a little off, but it's okay. Those are in. These things are throwing me off though. These two. I bet those are the what's holding this on, locked into place. But there's two posts or whatever, going down into here, and these locks are some way, somehow causing it to stay in. So I'm just rotating it, seeing if there's another post or something. Okay, I don't want to do that, but and there they go, back to normal. Where I started. Square one. My children are making weird noises. So, hit that. Boom. Now, okay, so that one's there. Back to it. Okay. What do I do? Where do I go? I don't know. Which side did I hit? Hit this side. Yeah, that's what I did. Did it do anything? Okay, back to that. Oh, Jeebus crisp. I really don't know. You know, at times sometimes they get mumbled up in the mail and get broken. I hope that's not the case here. I'm gonna look in the box and make sure I don't have missing a piece. Nope, no piece missing. Do I have to put this back in there? It's not magnetized. That is. So any other parts are in the center. Whee! Does it have anything to do with it? No. I'm stumped. That puts it back to that. That puts it back to start. Yeah, now it's back to start. So, which one did I have to do first? That one? Nope, that was not it. This one first. There's that one. Why is this one not stained? That one went back. Okay, so now I got both. Okay, I tried that. No. Tried that side. Tried that side. Didn't work either. Oh, wait. There's a hole right there. No, no. Ah, there's a hole. I saw a hole. I'm supposed to put this in here. I mean, pretty positive. So now, how did it? Where'd it go? There's that, okay. That's a magnet. That's definitely a magnet. Okay. Oh, yes, yes. No, you go back. You go back. You stay! Yes, yes, yes. How do I get that though? Oh, oh, I'm in, but what does that do? Oh, there it is! Oh, that is so awesome! Lock and pin. That is so stinking clever. With a little guy there. Lock and pin. That is awesome. Wow! Oh, I was getting frustrated there. My little quarter. It's not silver. It's okay. That's cool. There it is, guys. That's the lock and pin. Okay, so we got to put it back together now. Oh. Super, super cool. Oh, that's clever. So, how does this work? He's got that in there. These hold that down. Those down. Okay, so put that back down. That in there. And that'll go back there. Because all you have to do is push it back out. Yep. Okay, that goes like that. And that goes there. Okay, that's back there. That's back normal. And there we go. There it is. And then you put that in there, and there's a magnet. I saw it go in. Boom! There it is. Oh, that's sweet. That is really cool. So you guys go. The lock in pin. Awesome job, man. Like I said, guys, I'll post a link down below where you can go and purchase this and many more of his. This was sweet. It took me about 40 minutes to figure it out. He says 3 out of 5. Maybe I'm a little slow. That was, yeah, 3 out of 5 because you figure that out. You get the pin. It took me a while to get that out. And then to figure out all the parts. You do have to, I don't know if you have to hit, but you got to get these down and everything. So 3 out of 5. Perfect, guys. Thank you. Go check them out. You know what I say, guys. Lift up God, lift up life, lift up the adventure. Lift up some puzzles. Get some puzzles out there, guys. This is fun. Talk to you guys later. God bless.